Hello, we welcome you from around the world as we introduce a significant innovation in data storage. To illustrate this, I have in my hand the infamous Rand McNally Road Atlas. When I first learned to drive, a paper map like this was all that we had. I remember the first time I used it to go someplace new. It was complicated and intimidating. Can you even imagine using this now? No, never. What changed everything? Of course, it was the GPS. I remember taking my first European trip in the early 2000s with my young children. I attached this early generation Garmin to the windshield and drove from France to Italy. It was a feeling of freedom. We decided last minute to go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. We got there somehow, and the GPS just worked. It felt like magic. Of course, it is unthinkable now to plan trips with a paper map. This is a great symbol for how technology can forever change a common, everyday problem. We could show this on a chart with two axes. On the first, static and evolving. The second, easy and not so easy. This upper quadrant is modern. The lower quadrant, legacy. The paper map, of course, is static. The GPS was modern and evolving. It changed everything. We can take the same analogy to how modern software designs change everything. Everything is getting better, so much faster. The modern GPS, cars, the cloud. Unfortunately, the legacy storage industry has been stuck for years. Like the paper map, you have to pre-plan everything. How to expand, how to migrate. We fear the dreaded moment when your storage fills up, needs an upgrade, or something unplanned comes up. In the 90s, the promise of unified block and file was introduced, but because storage was purpose-built for either block or file, any new protocol was a bolt-on. Like a paper map, people have just become used to the cost of managing this pain. They have been stuck in decades-old architecture. So, legacy storage systems like NetApp and Dell are down here, static and not so easy. There has to be a better, modern way. So today is a day I've been looking forward to for over 2 years. Pure brings evolving and easy to unified block and file. I'm happy to announce that now we are introducing the general availability of the first truly unified block and file storage array. We have done this the Pure way. By designing this from the ground up, we have engineered a native, unified block and file experience purpose-built for flash storage. This is made possible with a few essential new features. 1. A flexible global storage pool. This eliminates the need to pre-plan storage growth. You can use what you need and expand on the fly with unlimited file system sizes. And 2, unified policy management. All operations can be learned quickly once and applied to everything, both block and file. There is one more thing the market has become used to. Legacy file systems are a black box for virtual machines. You can only see what's happening at the top aggregate level. All the VMs inside are opaque. However, customers actually manage things at the VM level. We are bringing lessons learned as a leader in block storage for VMware to file. We are pleased to announce unified VM-aware storage, including statistics, snapshots, quotas, policies. There are benefits of cracking open the box and looking inside. In legacy storage, there was no way to drill down and understand your metrics. With VM-aware statistics, you can drill into any managed directory and really understand what's going on. In legacy storage, data protection is all or nothing. Customers are forced to back up and take snapshots at one generic SLA, even if data has different levels of importance. VM granularity across snapshots, quotas, and policies gives you more flexibility without losing the simplicity. So, to recap, native unified block and file, global storage pool, unified policy management, and VM-aware storage management. This supports all common use cases, including VMware and NFS data stores, user directories and profiles, content repositories, data protection, and backup. The GPS was a major evolution over paper, and we have never looked back. We assume we can make changes on the fly. We just assume maps will be up to date. We assume it will be easy. Pure Storage gives you the same revolutionary promise with unified block and file. Easy, non-disruptive, and always getting better. It is an exciting time to be in modern data storage, and we are just at the beginning. With that, I'm excited to invite Dave Pearson, Research VP for Infrastructure Systems at IDC, and Dan Kogan, VP of Product, FlashArray, as they explore the future of unified storage.